Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create new folders and new files in Visual Studio Code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Visual Studio Code. So I already have a project open here. In your case, if you don't have a project open, it will show the home page. Let me go back to the home page by clicking on File and New Window. So this is what you will be seeing if you don't have a project open. If you have a project open, just do what I did and go to File and New Window, and this will show up now here and start. You will see these options that says Open Folder or Open File or New File. Let's click on Open Folder. Now I will ask you for which folder you want to open, but we don't want to open a new folder. We want to create a new folder. So what you can do is you can create a new folder for your project by just clicking this button here. And let's call it my new project, and just click on select folder, and that new folder will be open up here. Click on I trust the authors, and this is the new folder open, and it is empty because it does not have any files here. So to create a new file, let's click on this plus sign and let's call it index.html, and as you can see, this file is created. Now we can quickly do some things here, and let's write some code here if you will, and just write a sample here. And now if you want to create a new folder inside this project, let's click this button next to this new file button. Click on it and just call it whatever you want. And now you have a file and a folder inside our folder that we just created. So this is how you can create a new file inside Visual Studio Code. Hope you liked the video.